onions in the freezer. What you gonna do about it? Nothing. I don't know why I woke up today singing TikTok songs. That song has been living rent-free in my mind for like 3 days. Anyway, Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Shaznation. Real quick before we get into the video, I just want to mention, previously this channel was called Shaznation, but due to my rebrand and just my lifestyle changes altogether, I chose to change out my name, rebrand my channel a little bit, and now we're called Shaz and Scrubs. And the reason why I chose to rebrand is just because I realized that nursing content on my channel is doing really well. So Shaz and Scrubs embodies life as a nursing student, life as a new grad nurse, life as an experienced nurse, basically my life in a nutshell while being on Scrubs. But also here and there I'm going to be doing some lifestyle vlogs when I'm off duty, just to kind of show you how productive my day is. My mission is to motivate all you young millennials, ambitious, goal-oriented, hardworking, into accomplishing all your goals. The reason why I chose to focus mainly on nursing in this channel is because over on my Instagram, I do focus on the other side of me. When I'm not in Scrubs, I am Style Me Shaz, and you can find me on Instagram at Style Me Shaz, where I create fashion content, fashion videos. If you're new here, here's a little bit about me. I am a 24-year-old BSN student, of which I'll be graduating this coming May, so May 2021. I did graduate with my associates in nursing in May. I did take and pass my NCLEX in July. Feel free to click this playlist up here if you want to check out my NCLEX experience. I also did share some NCLEX tips that you might find helpful, especially if you're preparing to take your NCLEX or you did take it and you failed and now you just want to get the groove of things. Other than that, I'm currently not practicing as a nurse yet. In this video, we're going to be doing my 2020 recap, and I'm also going to show you guys how I set up my 2021 goals. I'm actually pretty excited for 2021 and all the goals I've set aside in terms of my content creation, career-wise, personal. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. It's been over a month since my last video that I posted. Things have been really hectic on my end, but I'm glad we are here. We survived 2020. So before I took my NCLEX, I was out of school for a while. I took a semester pause from my BSN just so I can focus on my NCLEX studying so I can pass it the third time. And once I did pass, the school gladly offered me my full scholarship again, and I just chose to go straight back to finish my BSN, and that's what I'm currently working on. Just one more semester full of practicums and one elective and I'll be done. I've also been working on applying for jobs and going for interviews, shadowing other nurses, just so I can choose which facility I want to start working in. I've been applying to several nurse residency programs, of which I'm going to be keeping you guys posted in terms of which job offer I accept, which residency program I join, and just my experience as a new grad nurse, especially being out of school for so long. Ever since I graduated May 2019 with my associates, I have not really had any clinical experience, so I'm pretty scared. I do not know what to expect, but I'm glad that this semester I'm going to be focusing on my last practicums for BSN, so I'm hoping that with that I'm going to slowly feel comfortable again to create treatment plans for patients. And yeah, stay tuned if you're interested to see my journey and how I handle it all. Due to that, me trying to stabilize my life, me trying to go back to my BSN, me applying for jobs, me going for residency shadowing, it's just been crazy, hence why I haven't really been consistent as I would like to be consistent on this channel. Moving on this point, it's actually my goal to at least post twice a week. That's going to be Sundays and Wednesday. I hope I can keep up with it given a very busy schedule. I still do not know how my preceptorship schedule is going to look like, but I'm hoping that it's going to be doable. So at this point in time, I'm just waiting to go back to school for my last semester, and I'm waiting to make a decision on which residency programs I'll be joining. And as far as my goals are concerned, I usually plan my goals on this app called Trello. I have several goals, as you can see on my boards here. The reason why I love Trello is because you can easily track your goals, you can easily move cards around, you can easily set trackers, you can easily set due dates. It's just very versatile. I can easily tab it as green, yellow, or red. Green meaning I've successfully fulfilled or accomplished that goal within the given time frame. Yellow means, yeah, I'm in the process of doing it, but not yet accomplished. Red just means I was nowhere near accomplishing that goal. Whenever I fail to accomplish goals when I set them, I usually carry it to the next month or year. The biggest tip I'm going to give you guys when it comes to setting your goals is to brain dump all your goals that you wish to accomplish in one list. So this list is called 2021 goals, which just has a pile of all the goals that I wish to accomplish. So if you can see in my pile, I have secure a job offer, start working as a nurse, graduate with a BSN, complete new grad nurse orientation, post at least 96 videos on YouTube the whole of 2021, post 192 posts on Instagram, hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, hit 20k followers on Instagram, create at least 3 digital streams of income on Etsy, utilize an affiliate stream of income, hit 4,000 watch time hours on YouTube, and finally get monetized. So once you write all your goals down, I usually find it very efficient if you now break down all those goals into separate months. For instance, I want to secure a job offer by January. So I'm going to move that card to January, and you can see under my January list, I have secure job offer. Then start working as a nurse. That of course comes after I have successfully secured a job offer. That's why I put that under February. So once I secure a job offer, I am hoping to start working as a nurse. Graduate with BSN. I've already explained to you guys that I'm going to be graduating in May, so I'm going to move that card all the way to May. And you can see it right here. I have graduate with BSN. Once you've finished distributing all your goals in monthly goals, you're now going to be able to laser focus on each goal. So for instance, my goals for January is to secure a job offer, post 8 videos on YouTube, post 16 posts on Instagram, gain 450 subscribers, gain 450 followers on Instagram. The reason why I have 8 videos on YouTube is because I divided all my cumulative number of videos that I wish to post divided by the number of months. So I anticipate to post at least 8 videos on YouTube per month if I do choose to post them twice a week. Same applies to the number of subscribers and followers. I simply took my annual goal of, let's say I want to gain 5,000 subscribers, divided that number by 12, and I estimated that I needed at least 420, but I aimed higher here. I put 450 subscribers that particular month. Then once I have all my goals categorized per month, I now use my weekly daily planner to just jot down all my weekly to-do list and my daily to-do list. And if you're interested in that video, stay tuned for Sunday's video where we're actually going to be talking about my 2021 planner setup. It's going to be really helpful, especially if you want to have a productive year. And that's about it. That's about all my goals for 2021. One thing I want to mention, I like to track my goals per month. So I did write my starting number of subscribers from January 2021 is 1,436. So by me having that number, and I've already known that it's my goal to acquire at least 450 subscribers in January, I can easily track it by the end of the January, anticipate at least 1,886 subscribers. That just gauges my progress towards my 5K goal. So if I have not been able to reach it, I'm just going to simply carry it to the next month, hoping I can double, triple my goal so I can surpass the goal By the end of every month, I usually come in on Trello again, and then I just tab it green, yellow, or red, just so I can see my progress. And trust me, it feels so good to just tab it green as opposed to having all your goals bundled up in your head for 2021 and you're not tracking them weekly or monthly. You're just waiting for 2021 to be over. Then you're like, oh wait, I had goals. Let me check whether I completed them. Nope, you're setting yourself up for failure. Sorry. That is all for my 2021 goal setup. I hope you learned something. I hope you now have a clear direction on how to efficiently set your goals. Remember, the key points for this video is to brain dump all your annual goals on a piece of paper if you don't want to work on Trello, but I just generally enjoy using Trello. Once you've brain dumped all your goals, remember to distribute it per month for when you anticipate to accomplish it. Make sure you set realistic goals. Do not set overly fantasized goals, because at the end of the day, if you're not going to be able to accomplish it, you're going to feel really demotivated to even look at your goals. In nursing, we use something called SMART goals. So your goal has to be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and needs a time frame. So when you keep those key points in mind, you're going to be very successful. You're going to have a very productive year. I pray and I shower blessings upon your years. Overall, all I'm trying to say is have your big goal, have your medium goal, and have your small goals. That's the only way you're going to accomplish your goals this year. And I hope this video helped. So yes, I'm not going to be disappearing again anytime soon. I've clearly showed you guys my goals, and I do plan to post on this channel twice a week. So make sure to subscribe and turn on those bell notifications if you do want to be notified. I hope to see you again on Sunday or in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.